So we reached the lava. I mean, we reached this hill where people gather to see the volcano. You see, some go even on the other hill behind, which is higher. But it started to rain very bad, and now you can't see the lava or the volcano. You can see the lava which spilled over here, fresh lava, but not really the erupting cone. Simply too much rain. I couldn't even fly my drone when I launched it. Couldn't see anything. There's just so much evaporation from hot lava. You see, this is the kind of the furthest you can walk by this trail. See, let's see if we see any hot lava here. This is the new lava which arrived here on the road. Nice to see.
Hello. I'm the driver?
Sorry. Are you the driver? Yeah.
You want to go around and back
Yeah, it's quite special view here. See, with all this smoke. See what happens when it rains with the lava. It's starting to evaporate. It's logical. Hot lava and rain don't go together. And that's where people come to see the volcano on this hill. And
some volcanic gas, but
some go on the higher mound there. Yeah, but unfortunately you can't see it now.
it would be quicker to just go across here.
You see.
My pants are so freaking wet. Your feet. My pants. Yeah. My feet are like, so, like when I walk, like I feel like the water's floating in front of my feet.
I second that. Oh, really though? That was just people there?
Very bad rain. Luckily I have all the rain outfit on me. I mean, I'm okay, but some people are not prepared for this. So this is the new lava that spilled over here, the volcano in the last days. A lot of it.
I'm wearing leggings.
Greetings from Iceland. All the best to you.